Hugaw. Palayo. Wala. Kaya kag bugal-bugal uy.
If you have problem in the world's earth has become dark and even place. Light comes from a cornea. Cornea is the front of your eye. This is a dark spot in the middle of your eye. It works like a camera, shutter controlling the amount of light and enters in our eyes when it's dark. The pupil also dilate or whitening. When it's bright, the pupil gets smaller. The surroundings of a pupil is the iris. This is a colored green muscle that helps pupil change size. When you look at the object, this is a light rays. Light rays into your eyes. These light rays are bent to cornea lens. Think of a picture. It's a film in a camera. It's lined with lights. Isn't it called a photoreceptor? Kailan photoreceptor, diba? That captured upside down the images in our visual field. A sensitive macula. This is a macula. This is also a part of our retina that helps see the images in our direct line vision. When light rays reach the retina, they convert the electrical pulse travel to optic nerve to your brain. Sometimes the problem in our eyes can be faced by glasses, contacts. That case when it doesn't focus the light in the retina.